Think a high credit score is out of reach? Let's unlock the secrets. First, timing is everything. A payment even a day late can impact your credit for months, if not years. Automate your payments to never miss a beat. Next, let's talk credit utilization. Imagine you have a $1,000 limit. Using $300 or less keeps you in the safe zone, under that 30% mark. It's not just about spending less, but showing lenders you can manage your credit wisely. And remember, checking your credit report regularly for errors is crucial. A mistake on your report can be the difference between a good and great score. Stick to these steps and you'll not only see your score climb up, but you'll open doors to lower interest rates and better loan terms. Got a question or a tip to share about boosting your credit score? Comment below. If this advice helps, share this reel and don't forget to follow for more deep dives into credit management. Need one-on-one advice? Drop me a message. Together, let's unlock financial freedom.